if someone's like upset because they got, left, or like if someone showed up late, it's like that's not the issue. It's like, oh, feeling unimportant or whatever it is. And like you mentioned your other example of like hearing no from anyone, whether we ask someone out, it's like having the self-awareness to not wrap an extra meaning around those two letters NO, which is a hard lesson because it's easy to be like, oh, they don't want me. And then, I know for me, I know in the past I've like weave my own story around, but it's like, no, it's just NO, it's just two little characters.
Welcome to another episode of WyzeCast, the show that elevates voices, shines the light, showcases the gifts of our heart-centered guests, and amplifies the positive differences they are making in the world.